is equal to, we write 21 and write this 0. 21 into 10, 210. Then 35 into 100. How we multiply 35? Whole number. 35 is a whole number and with 100. When we multiply 35 with 100, it will result 35 into 100 means you write 35 and here is 2 zeros. So we write 2 zeros. So 35 into 100, 3500. Then 77 into 1000. What is the answer? We write this 77 and place 1, 2, 3. These 3 zeros. So we have to add the zeros to the number. We will get the answer. 21 into 10, 210. 35 into 100, 3500. 70,000 into 1000, 77,000. That's where we can multiply a whole number with 10, 100, 1000, etc. So here we are going to study multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000. For example, 53.2 into 10. We are going to multiply 53.2 by 10. So, in order to multiply 53.2 by 10, if it 532, just give the 0 to the right. Here 53.2. So, the answer is 53 is the 0.2 is there. How many zeros are there? Here 10. There is only 1 0. So, we have to move this decimal point 1 point to the right. Which means here 53.2 and move this decimal point to 1 digit after. That means here 1 0. So, move 1 digit. Which means 532 points. That is 532. 532 point means 532. So, in order to multiply with 1 0, that means 10, move 1 digit, 1 point. So, 532. Another example, 53.2 into 100 is equal to 53.2 into 100, which means how many zeros are there? There are 2 zeros. Here, point is here. You have to move 2 digits. That means 5, 3, 1 digit moving means 532. You have to here 2 zeros. You have to move 2 decimal points. So, in order to move 2 decimal points, we have to place no other digits are there. So, place 0, then put points. So, 5320. 53.2 into 100 means 5320. What about 53.2 into 1000? Which is equal to here 0.2, 1 digit is there. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are there. So move 3 decimal points to the right. Which means 532, 1 point. Then you have to place 2 zeros. So 53,200. That is the answer. We move 3 decimal points since there are 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So 53,200. So another example is 3.742 into 10. I have to multiply 3.742 into 10, which is equal to 3.742 into 10, which is equal to here 10 means 1 0 is there. So move 1 decimal point to the right, which means 37 points. Point will come here, then 37 points. Since there is only 1 0, so 37.42. Another example, 3.742 into 100, which is equal to here 2 zeros, so move 2 points. That means 374.2, 374.2, moving 2 points. So here 2 zeros, so moving 2 points, 374.8. Next one, 3742 into 1000, which is equal to moving 3 points, which means 374 2 point. That is 3742. So 3.742 into 1000 is 3742. Next one, 3.742 into 10,000. Which is equal to, here 4 zeros are there, so moving 4 decimal point. That means 3742. We have to use one more zero at that point. That is 37,420. So moving decimal point according to the number of zeros in the question. So 3.742 into 10 is equal to 37.42. 3.742 into 100 is equal to, that is 374.2. 3.742 into 1000 is equal to 3,742. 3.742 into 10,000 is equal to 37,420. Now let us discuss how we can multiply a decimal number with a whole number and a decimal number with a decimal number. Let us check how can we multiply a decimal number with a whole number and decimal number with a decimal number. First question, 2.7 into 4. 2.7 into 4. So the rule is so simple. 2.7 into 4, which means we write 2.7 without decimal points, we write 27. So 27 we write into 4. First we calculate without decimal points, we multiply. That is 27 into 4. 27 into 4, 7 into 4, 28. Remember 2. 4 into 2 plus 2, that is 10. 108. We got 108. So we got 108. 27.4, 2.7 into 4, which is equal to, we write 27 into 4, that is we got 108. 108. Look at here. Here 2.7. Here 4. And 4 point. That is only 4. So 2.1. Here after decimal point 1 digit is there. After decimal point 1 digit is there. So in the answer also after decimal point there should be only 1 digit. Okay. Here only 1 digit after decimal point. So in answer also there should be only 1 digit after the decimal point. So we have to place decimal point here. Then only after decimal point there is only 1 digit. Here also 2.7 into 4. Here only 1 decimal digit after decimal point. So answer is 10.8. Next question, 1.8 into 1.2. 1.8 into 1.2. Here 1.8 is a decimal number into 1.2 is another decimal number. So we are going to multiply a decimal number by another decimal number. So our rule is without decimal point we write the number 80. If remove the decimal point, you will get 18 into 1.2 means after removing a decimal point we will get 12. Now we multiply 18 into 12. So 18 into 12 means 18 into 2 16. 2 into 1 plus 3 36. 1 into 8 8. 1 into 1 1. That is 6. 1 2 216, which is equal to 260. So we got 260. So we multiply without decimal numbers. That is 18 into 12, which is equal to 216. So look at here. Here after point, here is 1 digit. Here after point also 1 digit. So total here 1 digit and here 1 digit after point. So in the answer here after decimal point 1 digit. Here after decimal point 1 digit. So total 1 plus 1 2 digits. So in the answer after decimal point there should be 2 digits. So we have to place decimal point where we have to place decimal point, then only you will get after decimal point there should be 2 digits. So here after decimal point 1 digit, here also 1 digit. So 1 plus 1 totally 2 digits. So in the answer after decimal point there should be 2 digits. So answer is 2.16. Next question, 2.3 into 4.35. 2.3 into 4.35. What is our rule? Multiply without decimal point. That is 4.35 means 435. Big number we can write first. 435 into 23. First we multiply 435 into 23, which is equal to, answer is 005. 10,005. When we multiply 23 into 435, we will get 10,005. So here after decimal points, here 1 digit. Here after decimal points 2 digits. So here 1 digit, here 2 digit after decimal point. So 1 plus 2, 3. So in the answer there should be 3 digits after the decimal point. So we have to place decimal point here. Then 1, 2, 3 digits. Here 1, here 1, 2. Totally 3. So here 1, 2, 3. So the result is 2.3 into 4.35, which is equal to 10.005. Fourth question, 9.82 into 6. 9.82 into 6. So first we write 982 into 6. 982 into 6, which means 5892. 5892. So it is equal to 5892. Look at here. Here after decimal point there are 2 digits. Here no digits. So totally 2 digits only there. Therefore after point in the answer also there should be 2 digits. So we have to place point here. So the answer is 9.82 into 6 is equal to 58.92. Another question. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. We know the rectangle length is 5.7 cm, 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. 5.7 cm, breadth is 3 cm. We have to find the area of the rectangle with the length 5.7 cm and the breadth is 3 cm. We know the formula for finding area is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth, that is area. We know length is 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. 5.7 cm into 3 cm, which is equal to, here 5.7 into 3. So our rule is without digit point we multiply. 57 into 3, which means 7 into 3, 21. 5 into 3, 15 plus 2, 70. 171. So we got 5.7 into 3, which is equal to 171. So look at here. Here after decimal point only 1 digit. Here no other digits. So only 1 digit. So here I am the answer also. You have to place decimal point according to after decimal point there should be 1 digit. So we have to place here. That is 17.1 centimeter square. So the formula for finding the area of the rectangle is area is equal to length into breadth. Here length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Multiplying, that is 5.7 into 3 is 171. So after 7 we put point and we got 17.1 centimeter square. So 17.1 centimeter square is the area of the rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and the breadth is 3 centimeter.